Hello everyone, my name is Unman Kaur and I have been associated with the field of education for the past 20 plus years. And along the way, I found healing as a way of life. Going through a personal medical issue 10 years back, I was looking for alternative ways to heal myself and I came across Theta Healing. I took a few sessions from a Theta healer who worked on my thought processes, my beliefs and my way of thinking. She helped me deal with the issue with so much ease that within a month, I transformed from a place of deep fear to ready to go to my surgery all by myself, even without my family. This was my introduction to the world of healing in general and Theta Healing in specific. I was so enthused to take up Theta Healing as a healing modality. Needless to say, the results have been very, very encouraging. Having healed myself, my family, my friends, and professionally, healing has brought me a lot of depth, fulfillment, and deep control in my life. Talking about Theta Healing, a beautiful modality, it speaks about the different kind of beliefs held in our conscious and subconscious mind, which in a way fashion our life. Not knowing these beliefs, since they are held in our subconscious and conscious mind, we tend to live our life on autopilot mode, with beliefs determining the kind of choices and decisions we take in our day-to-day living. It's as if there is somebody inside of us, a software program that runs inside, controlling us and limiting us to the possibilities of life. By making a person aware of these deep-seated subconscious beliefs within and giving them the ability to change them, Theta Healing helps a person open up to a completely new world and gives them control of their life. They are able to see what works for them and what is not working for them. By changing these beliefs, they can actually have life work for them, whether it's their personal relationships, health, career issues, mental and emotional issues. Healing as a practice can be used in all areas and for all aspects of life. There is nothing that healing can't impact and bring about a positive change in. Believe me, all that is required is a deep commitment to knowing oneself within and a desire to make one's life better.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Gilani. I'm a healer and coordinator at Heal Yourself. In 2008, I had stroke, because of which my entire right side got paralyzed. At that time, I was told by the doctors that I might not be able to sit or walk again. At that time, I was a banker, and my banker friend, Mrs. Harneet Sant Kaur, who happens to be a mentor, a teacher, and a guide to me, she introduced me to this world of healings. I left my job post that illness, and she was doing at that time my healing sessions. She did Reiki healing sessions and Theta healing sessions for me. At that time, she came to me and she asked me a question which was actually stuck with me, and it changed my life. She asked me that whether I was going to take the responsibility of creating that illness or I was going to blame the circumstances or people around me. That question stayed with me and I was ready to actually change myself. As a part of it, I started learning these modalities, and these modalities have actually changed my life. I started learning Reiki, I have learned Theta, I have learned various courses in Theta, and I have done self-empowerment courses and the Dragon Reiki sessions, and I'm ready to learn more. Presently, I'm working as a coordinator and a healer, so I keep on sharing these informations, these knowledges with the different people, and I get to see that a lot of many people right now are ready to change their life and take their responsibility and enlighten and empower the light within. And it's truly a remarkable journey. This healing world is full of magic, and this magical world changes life of people. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jagdeep Singh and I'm an Access Bar practitioner. Access Bar therapy is a wonderful therapy and it basically involves a practitioner simply touching 32 points on a human body, and it deeply relaxes a person's mind, and it's also like a meditation. So there was a person who had insomnia came to me, and he was tired all the time. So I gave him 15 bar run sessions, and he started sleeping well, and he was not tired all the time, and he was mentally very healthy. So this is the kind of an impact that bar run access bar therapy has on a person, and it is very wonderful.